So in this Redfin tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to find two-bedroom homes for sale here on Redfin. So once Redfin is opened up, I want you to go ahead and type in your location. For this example, how about I go ahead and just search up Las Vegas just for the demonstration, kind of change it up a little bit here. Now once you have your area selected, if you're looking for two-bedroom homes for sale, go to the top here where it says beds slash baths and go ahead and where it says beds right here. Make sure that any is not selected. You want to go ahead and press on 2. So if you press on it just more or just once, it'll be 2 plus in regards to bedrooms. But if you go ahead and press on it again, only two-bedroom units will be showing right here. And if you want to go even further, go to where it says home type right here. You can go to houses, townhouses, condos, whatever the case may be in regards to your two-bedroom homes for sale. So you can go ahead and remove the outline as well to expand your search, whatever the case may be. But all it's going to be showing here is two-bedroom units that are for sale in regards to the selected areas. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to find two-bedroom homes for sale on Redfin. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.